Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you one of the fixes what you can do if your JBL earbuds, the one side is not working, like let's say the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working and you want to fix it. So what we're going to do, we're going to perform a factory reset and how to do it. So first I want you to find your earbud right here, if you can find it in this list, because what we're going to do is this. So we're going to come and do it with me. You want to take both out. Take both out, okay? You're gonna take the right earbud, and what we are going to do is that we're gonna press it 3 times, and then on the third time we're gonna hold it. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna hold, and you will see what will happen. It will turn off. See? Now it turned off, so it's been factory reset. Now we're gonna put both back to the case. And it's done. And try it now. Try to pair it with your phone and try if the earbud is going to work, the one side that didn't work. Also, what you can do, try different device, because maybe what could happen is that the device that you had is not cooperating well with the earbuds. So try different device if it's going to be issue with the connection and not the earbuds themselves. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you and have a great day and goodbye.